Hi, I'm Paige.
My name is Ryan Stevens.
My name is Elfie Meshussi.
I'm Brendan Craggs.
I'm Matthias Schnellmann.
And I'm a member of the Climate and Energy Network at INEOS.
And I'm a member of YCEN.
And I'm part of YCEN.
I am a member of YCEN.
The Young Climate and Energy Network was launched earlier this year in April, and it's an INEOS-wide network that brings together all those early in their career that are interested in climate and energy, and also share updates from what's going on in each other's roles and businesses.
We're all part of the same generation, so we kind of had the same exposure to the growing concerns that the world is facing.
We have so many engineers, scientists, commercial people across the globe in many different businesses. You can learn so much just from speaking to people.
We're all passing on learnings to each other, and we can put these in practice in our daily work.
A lot of what we're talking about hasn't been done before. I feel like this is going to be the future of working at INEOS and maybe the industry overall.
I do feel empowered to make a difference. INEOS is a company that's built on challenge, and it gives its people the scope and the accountability to deliver. For example, I was working with the sites in Antwerp to develop roadmaps for how they can reduce their carbon dioxide emissions. And the first steps in these roadmaps are now being taken.
I got involved in the YCEN because I work as a carbon and environment specialist for one of the biggest business of INEOS. Well, I feel extremely excited that my daily job is around sustainability, around finding ways to make the manufacture of the product that we use every day, finding ways to produce them in the most sustainable way. There are a lot of challenges to solve to do that, but I'm extremely excited to work with an incredible team, with motivated people, highly skilled people to achieve that objective.
So the opportunity to get involved in YCEN was really important. It had some clear benefits for communication, and we wanted to try and put this in place for Grangemouth.
From the YCEN, we've actually created a more local initiative called the Grangemouth Energy Network, which again is aimed at younger engineers.
We've managed to engage with hundreds of different people to get involved in the network. We've spoke to various levels within the business, create a network that works, that will drive the sustainability message at INEOS and drive projects moving forward.
I think there's some exciting stuff where Kinneil can really start to reduce its emissions. We have a number of gas turbine-driven compressors on site. So what we'd like to do going forward is replace those with electric motors. So a compressor effectively compresses the gas products which are then fed to the refinery into the wider market. It can be used a whole array of different products. The advantage is if you've actually reduced the emissions associated with producing them, you've actually reduced the carbon footprint.
One really interesting project that has helped develop the sustainability of INEOS FPS is improving some inspection techniques. I've managed to put forward a new technique which would reduce time to scan pipework from 2 to 3 months, which can now be done in 2 weeks. Working on sustainability projects, it's really exciting and you feel empowered.
I think sustainability is really important because it is exactly how it sounds. It sustains the earth for future generations. Us in Houston area, we've definitely lived through a lot of the repercussions of climate change. I think INEOS is in different stages of its sustainability journey, but that's what's exciting to be a part of the Climate Energy Network, to learn about the different businesses and where they are at in their sustainability journey. I've been involved in the circular economy. I've helped to lead our certification effort that helps to ensure our customers that our impact and sustainability is auditable. There's traceability throughout the supply chain. We are doing what we say we are doing.
It's very exciting to be part of these projects and to see them through right from when they're a first idea through to implementation. These really are first tangible steps to be able to achieve climate targets and also to move to circularity.
I think the Young Climate and Energy Network really will transition to, hopefully being much larger, getting more folks involved from different businesses.
When we're looking at sustainability initiatives in the future in 5, 10, 15, 20 years' time, I want to be speaking to these people to start sharing ideas already.
I'm really positive about the future of INEOS. There is a really strong commitment at each level of the organization on sustainability, and my work is also at the center of all that. I can really feel that my voice is heard.